Today's defense highlights. Samtel Avionics to equip all 18 Su-30MKM of Malaysian Air Force with multifunction and head-up displays. Indian Air Force issues sanction order for domestic lightning detection system to enhance safety for military and civil aviation to Bharat Electronics and TASL. India and Russia chart a new course of collaboration on Northern Sea route. Optimized Electrotech Bags a grant of rupees 25 crores from the center under the iDEX program. In the global highlights, Textron and General Dynamics innovate with next generation XM250 top attack mine system to destroy main battle tanks. Navantia in exclusive talks to acquire Harland and Wolff securing Royal Navy contract. IAI unveils new lightweight electronic warfare resistant teaser guided missile. Let's have a look at the news in detail. Samtel Avionics has secured a contract with the Royal Malaysian Air Force, and under this agreement, Samtel will equip all of Malaysia's Sukhoi 30 MKM fighter jets with the state-of-the-art multifunction displays and head-up displays. The integration of Samtel's MFDs into the RMAF's Su-30 MKM fleet is expected to significantly enhance the fighter jet's capabilities, and these displays are available in 5x5, 6x6, and 5x4 sizes and provide pilots with improved situational awareness and a more intuitive interface for managing flight data and weapon systems. These displays have already been successfully deployed in Indian Air Force's Su-30MKI fleet, demonstrating their reliability and effectiveness in high-performance combat aircraft. Samtel Avionics has a proven track record, having delivered 1,000 units of these indigenously manufactured MFDs to HAL for integration into the Air Force's Su-30 MKIs. RMAF Su-30 MKMs will also be fitted with Samtel's advanced head-up displays. These HUDs project critical flight information directly into the pilot's line of sight, enabling them to maintain focus on their surroundings and the mission without needing to look down at cockpit instruments. This technology is crucial for enhancing pilot effectiveness during combat situations and high-speed maneuvers, providing the RMAF with a significant tactical advantage. The displays being supplied to Malaysia are the result of a successful joint venture between Samtel Avionics and Hindustan Aeronautics called Samtel HAL Display Systems. This partnership has played a key role in fulfilling the avionics requirements of the Indian Air Force's Su-30 MKI fleet, which forms the backbone of India's air superiority. Indian Air Force has awarded the project for developing the indigenous lightning detection system to Bell and TASL. This project, falling under the Make 2 category of defense procurement, emphasizes the Air Force's commitment to promoting indigenous design and manufacturing capabilities within India. The system will comprise a sophisticated network of sensors designed to detect atmospheric lightning strikes, providing crucial early warnings to safeguard military assets and enhance the safety of both military and civil aviation. The data gathered by this system will be shared with civilian agencies, contributing to public safety by providing timely alerts about potential lightning hazards. This initiative aligns with the Air Force's broader strategy to reduce dependence on foreign sourced equipment and foster the growth of Indian domestic defense industry. India and Russia are deepening their cooperation in the Arctic with a focus on the Northern Sea Route (NSR), a strategically important shipping lane connecting Europe and Asia. A joint working group convened in New Delhi to outline a framework of collaboration, including increased cargo transit, joint shipbuilding projects, and the training of Indian sailors for polar navigation. The NSR, along with the Chennai Vladivostok Corridor and the International North South Transport Corridor, are key components of this vision. Rosatom, appointed by the Russian government in 2018 as the NSR's infrastructure operator, is leading efforts to enhance the route's capacity and accessibility. The NSR offers a significantly shorter route between Europe and Asia compared to traditional southern routes. As climate change reduces Arctic sea ice, the route's viability and economic potential are increasing. Russia aims to establish the NSR as a major shipping artery, with Rosatom spearheading infrastructure development, including new nuclear icebreakers and modernized port facilities. This partnership allows India to diversify its trade routes and reduce shipping costs, while Russia gains a key partner in developing and utilizing the NSR. The collaboration also extends to joint projects in Arctic shipbuilding, enabling both nations to leverage their expertise in constructing vessels suitable for the challenging Arctic environment. The training of Indian soldiers in polar navigation further underscores the commitment to long term cooperation and shared expertise in Arctic maritime operations. A quick look at the five key developments in the Indian defense sector in the recent months. The first one is India signed a $3.3 billion contract for 31 MQ-9B Predator drones from US, with 15 to the Navy and 8 each to the Army and Air Force. India is negotiating a deal for 26 Rafale marine jets to be deployed on the INS Vikrant aircraft carrier. The deal, valued at over Rs 50,000 crores, aims to strengthen the Navy's maritime combat capabilities. The Cabinet Committee on Security approved the establishment of a new missile testing range in Nagayalanka, Andhra Pradesh, to support the testing of tactical missile systems developed by DRDO. The Indian government also approved the construction of two nuclear-powered attack submarines SSNs at the Shipbuilding Center in Vishakhapatnam, with a focus on indigenization. The Indian Army's T-90 Bhishma tanks underwent a successful overhaul at the 505 Army Base Workshop, enhancing their firepower, mobility, and protection. The defense tech startup Optimized Electrotech has received a grant of Rs 25 crores from the government after it emerged as one of the winners of the Aditi 1.0 iDEX DO challenge held by the Defense Space Administration's initiative under the iDEX program. This company, founded in 2017 by Sandeep Shah, Anil Yakala, Dhareen Shah, Kuldeep Saxena, and Purvi Shah, Optimized Electrotech offers surveillance solutions for strategic and commercial buyers. Its products work on a wide range of electromagnetic spectrum and are equipped with various types of optics that enable applications including surveillance for smart cities, satellite-based imaging, perimeter surveillance, border surveillance, aircraft tracking, aircraft security, and more. The startup claims it infuses AI into surveillance and that its indigenously designed and developed surveillance platforms allows governments, defense services, paramilitary and mining corporations to respond to threats such as unauthorized drone attacks. Optimized Electrotech has raised a total funding of over $4 million till date. It last raised 2.43 million in dollars in 2023 as part of its pre-Series B funding round led by Rajiv Dadlani Group. The funding round also saw participation from Equanimity Investments, existing investor venture capitalists, a few family offices, and other high net worth individuals. In the global news, in partnership with General Dynamics Mission Systems, Textron is unveiling the XM250, a next-generation anti-vehicle munition designed to support the U.S. Army's counter-mobility and terrain-shaping operations. This top attack system is an innovation under the U.S. Army's Terrain Shaping Obstacles program, aimed at blocking the advance of enemy armored vehicles through the deployment of mines. XM250 stands out with its extended remote control capability, allowing operators to manage multiple obstacle fields located several kilometers away from a single station. This new model also benefits from a real-time detection and reporting system, providing operators with better situational awareness and offers superior striking power with enhanced warheads for increased lethality against both armored and wheeled vehicles, including battle tanks. Additionally, the XM250 introduces the ability to recover unused munitions, enabling redeployment and significantly reducing logistical needs. Designed for simplified use, the XM250 can be quickly installed and armed, featuring an intuitive interface that facilitates its deployment. The system's remote control station integrates seamlessly with obstacle planning tools, allowing operators to monitor and control obstacles while aligning with mission command objectives. The features such as three-dimensional terrain analysis and automated resource calculation optimize mission planning, enabling the XM250 to be deployed as a standalone unit or as part of a more extensive and complex obstacle network. Its portability, suitable for a two-person lift, ensures secure transportation across various terrains, whether by ground, vehicle, or helicopter, thereby providing enhanced tactical flexibility. The Spanish shipbuilder Navantia is in exclusive talks to acquire Harland and Wolff, the historic Belfast shipyard, the owner of the Belfast shipyard that built the Titanic. The potential deal could see Navantia taking control of Harland and Wolff's four shipyards located in Belfast, Appledore, Arnish, and Mayfield. A formal agreement could be reached as early as next month. Navantia has already been financially supporting Harland and Wolff to continue operating as it tries to keep alive a $1.6 billion contract with the company to build three Fleet Solid Support ships (FSS) ships that transport crucial supplies to aircraft carriers for the Royal Fleet Auxiliary, the civilian branch of the Royal Navy. Navantia and Harland and Wolff were jointly awarded a 1.6 billion pound contract in 2022 to build three Fleet Solid Support ships for the Royal Fleet Auxiliary. These ships are crucial for resupplying munitions and food to the Navy's aircraft carriers. Harland and Wolff's portion of the contract, worth around £700 million, is seen as the company's most valuable asset. However, the future of the project has been uncertain since Harland and Wolff was placed into administration. Israel Aerospace Industries has announced the development of a new lightweight missile called Teaser, which it says is the first guided missile in the world using an external optical guidance without a homing sensor. It can be shoulder launched and weighs less than 5 pounds, operates without relying on the global navigation satellite systems. The company describes the weapon as an automatic command to line of sight tactical affordable infantry weapon system. It means it's immune to traditional GNSS jamming or spoofing. A word about the teaser as described by the company. Teaser, a precision-guided seekerless missile system engineered for the modern warfighter. This lightweight system strikes targets up to 2,500 meters away while maintaining a low signature during launch and flight. Designed for flexibility, the teaser can be launched over the shoulder in enclosed spaces or operated remotely, offering a range of deployment options. It is equipped with a versatile anti-structure warhead that is effective against moving targets, including personnel, lightly armored vehicles, and low-altitude aerial vehicles. Its straightforward aim and shoot operation distinguishes it, utilizing automatic command to line of sight ACLOS with a narrow beam, low probability of intercept communication link. This feature minimizes the risk of detection and vulnerability to electronic countermeasures. Available as a shoulder-fired weapon with a disposable canister launcher featuring an integrated optical control sight or as a remotely operated missile in a launch tube, the teaser ensures rapid proficiency achievable in just a few days. This contrasts sharply with traditional systems that require lengthy training periods. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.